Google is beginning to expand the availability of Jamboard across Europe, in what appears to be the first real sign that the company is succeeding with this digital whiteboard. The Jamboard was launched last May in the USA and Canada, and then expanded to the United Kingdom in September. Now, Google announces that it will launch the Jamboard in France, Spain, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Finland and the Netherlands next month. The fact that, almost a year later, Google continues to implement the product suggests that it is doing well in the few regions where it has been available. As it expands to more of Europe, the Jamboard is getting a new feature that goes with it, something called AutoDraw, which tries to transform your terrible drawings into clipart of whatever you're trying to draw. It is a good idea that you could prevent the bad boxes from being embarrassed by assuming that the Jamboard is able to detect what you are drawing. The goal with Jamboard remains the same of all times. It is still offered only to commercial customers as a way to help teams collaborate by synchronizing whiteboard drawings across multiple plates, applications and locations.